Hello, I'm Mike Brooks. Here's a look at some of the day's top stories from Two Works for You. Governor Kevin Stitt's new COVID-19 restrictions are forcing bars and restaurants to close their doors by 11 p.m. starting on Thursday. The governor says it's to increase social distancing and help prevent further spread of the virus. State data shows it's harder to maintain social distancing in bars once it gets later in the evening. Now, in addition, all tables in those bars and restaurants must be at least 6 feet apart. If they can't, they must install properly sanitized dividers between those tables. Governor Stitt says he's trying to flatten the curve.
Recently, we've seen our numbers starting to climb. We were really flat, really plateaued for about 5 months. We're starting to see them come up. Based on the data in our state, specifically the rise in hospitalizations, now is the time to do more.
The governor is also requiring all state employees to wear masks in common areas. This affects at least 33,000 employees in all state buildings. The SAPULPA City Council is set to discuss a mask mandate during their meeting this evening. It's attached to an agenda item that would also extend the emergency declaration for the city. Everyone 10 and older would be required to wear masks under the proclamation if it's passed. More than 1 million children in the U.S. have been diagnosed with COVID-19. This is according to new data released by the American Academy of Pediatrics and the Children's Hospital Association. There were nearly 112,000 new cases in children in the week ending November 12th. That is the highest number than any previous week. Experts say there's an urgent need for a new nationwide strategy to control the pandemic in order to protect children, families, and communities. Here's a look at your extended forecast right now. Smooth sailing for the rest of this week. That's what Chief Meteorologist Mike Collier says. Chance of rain coming into play on Saturday and Sunday, and then those temperatures drop way down just in time for the Thanksgiving week. That's a look at some of the stories making headlines for you today. Of course, stay with Two Works for You for updates throughout the day.